Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia classic espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because no water was coming out of the group head, and that was basically because the three-way solenoid valve was no longer working properly, and it was not letting water pass through here, so through this side, so it was definitely nothing was going into the group head. After we replaced the three-way solenoid valve, it started flowing perfectly away. So now we're gonna test it out, starting with the steam. As it's recommended to always steam first on this machine, so you don't empty the boiler and burn down the heating element. Once we have water coming out of the group head, we detect a really very strong smell of vinegar. You can kind of smell it a little bit coming out from the boiler. I would recommend the customer to use citric acid in the future instead. It's so much better than vinegar, and it doesn't smell in the boiler. As you can see, steaming very well, working perfectly fine, good pressure, and excellent temperature as well. All right, so now we can do our espresso shot, and hopefully I pick up the right gradients of this machine. Otherwise, you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Unfortunately, I didn't tamper that hard as I should have done. You see that it was pretty fast. I miscalculated how hard to tamper, but you were able to see the group head. So let me just remove this portafilter. Be right back. All right, perfect. I cleaned up the mess, and now we're gonna back flush the machine using a blind filter and a little bit of Joe Glow. The one that we have is this one, not a sponsor. This is the one that we use ourselves, and it's very well. Let me just make sure that the portafilter is very tight. All right, perfect. Now from this position to this position, and now we can back flush the machine, which is the most important thing that you can do to your machine. You want to back flush it every 60 shots, and what you want to do is just put a little bit of Joe Glue in there, using a blind filter. Just put it into the portafilter, and just like doing regular coffee, you're just gonna activate the groove head, wait 15 seconds, and then release the pressure into the tray, and that will eventually start cleaning out the shower screen, as well as the three-way solenoid valve of the machine, which is required for this was the problem of this machine as well, is that this thing was not dispensing water through the groove head. So what you're gonna be doing is clean up this one, clean up the groove head, and yeah, it's just the best thing you can do to your machine. Back flushing is the most important thing you can do. As you can see, the pressure comes out through there, pretty good. We're waiting 15 seconds. This is the third time. You can see the pressure going through there and how it's cleaning the groove head. Perfect. You can kind of see the water changing color as well. Let me just give you a better view so you can see how it back flushes. There you go. Working excellent. Alright, I'm gonna back flush it for a bit and then we come back. Okay, now that we back flushed this machine pretty much a lot, there was a lot of coffee buildup in there. Now we can see the water going up a little bit clearer. And the reason it kind of splatters like that is because this tray does not have this other piece. This is from another Gaggia Classic. This piece prevents the solenoid valve to splash like this. We're gonna install it in here, and then we're gonna be showing you. See? It doesn't splatter all over the place. It just falls into the little hole. So that's why it's splattering all over the place and it's missing. And it's making a little bit of a mess because we are missing that little piece from the tray. We also made sure that the portafilter was tight. It was a little bit loose, so we just screwed it up and made sure it was tight. And yeah, that's all we did. We replaced the three-way solenoid valve, back flushed this machine, drained the boiler from that vinegar, made sure that the portafilter handle was attached to it, and yeah, that's all we did. So thank you so much for the Premium Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.